Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you a 2009 Harley-Davidson V-Rod. This is one slick machine. Beautiful blue and silver. It's got the 1250cc motor. It's a liquid-cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. It's just a really racy bike. These things are fun to ride. Got a good tire up front here. Got the brushed aluminum looking smooth spoked rim on the front with dual front disc brakes. All the chrome and paint on it looks good. The radiator under here looks real good. Got the blue and silver metallic paint. That's the factory exhaust. They really sound nice. Looks like it's got got up against something here. Some scratches right there. And I noticed down underneath it here. Had a little scratch, and a little dent right in there. I don't see any indication that it's ever been down because all the rest of it is just in fine shape. Didn't see anything on it that I needed to point out to you that I can think of. Aluminum slotted mag on the back with a disc brake. This rear tire is in excellent condition. I see one tiny little hairline scratch right here. I don't even know if you can see it. And here on the belt guard, it looks like there's a little rub. This bike's got 7,514 miles on it. A really cool instrument cluster there with the tachometer and the speedometer and the fuel gauge. It is a fuel injected bike. Fire it off and give it a listen. Got the factory 2-up seat on it, so you can ride 2-up. It's got the passenger foot pegs on it. Fast revving, good running, great handling motorcycle right there. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful 2009 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike's been through our shop. It's been serviced and inspected and safety checked, and it is ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and warranty options, as well as our test ride leasing program that will put almost anybody on a Harley-Davidson. So if you've had any kind of credit issues, be sure you ask about our test ride program. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this one in your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.